Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life, and may your life bring so much happiness and prosperous in your life. So yeah, today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful design of crochet ladies vest with open designs, and these are very versatile and stylish pieces of clothing that offer several uses, and they are very fashionable and trending nowadays. You can pair it with any t-shirt and with any shirt. It's all up to you. You can pair it with any type of designs, and these are very common and trending in nowadays. Like, these vests can be worn in different seasons. They can be a layered over long sleeve tops or dresses in colder weather, or worn as a stand-alone piece in warmer season. They are very comfortable. Like, crochet vests are typically made with soft and lightweight yarn, making them comfortable to wear throughout the day, and it can be customized to fit your preferences and body shape. You can adjust the length, add embellishment, or choose different yarn colors to make it truly unique. So if you want to invest something good in crochet, I would definitely recommend you guys invest in crochet vest. And they are you have the layering option. They can be paired with various tops, blouses, or dresses to create different outfits and styles. You can wear it on casual occasion and on formal as well. So they have a boho chic appeal. They are perfect for festivals, beach outings, or casual occasions. They are handmade, and you have the option to gift it to someone else. If someone like to wear handmade craft items, have a special charms and can be cherished for years to come. So whatever you wear, a crochet vest casually or dress it up for special occasions, it adds a touch of elegance, individuality, and warmth through your wardrobe, and they are very creative. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet vest patterns. Thank you.